Presuppositions are the most powerful way to assume the sale or assume the outcome in your language. They also tend to displace resistance. So the thing is, a lot of times people are going to resist you. If you can take the resistance off of the sale and move that resistance to something else, then it becomes easier for them to say yes to the sale. Does that make sense? For example, if I say buy this car, you're likely to have some resistance to that direct commanding suggestion. But if I were to say, have you heard how easy it is to buy this car? Notice that the words buy this car are still in the sentence. It's sort of like don't think about the Oreos that Kayla has. You still think about the Oreos, right? You're no longer resisting the buy this car part of the message because all of your focus and attention goes to the question of have you heard? It shifts the focus away from the suggestion or what we want them to think, and it moves it over to something else. So the thing is, if I say, have you heard how easy it is to buy the car, no matter whether you say yes or no, you have to assume buying the car in order to answer the question yes or no. And even if you say no, it doesn't invalidate the suggestion.